Hi, it's Renee Lazaro here from Boutique Yellow, a Melbourne interior design company, and I wanted to give you a little colour technique today for when we are styling. We get asked this technique regularly at workshops, and this is one of our favourite ones to teach people because of the difference that it makes when they are considering their wardrobe planning. What I would suggest that you do is that you keep an eye out for items of clothing or things that you could wear, so it could be jewellery or it could be a handbag that is in your eye colour. And when you wear your eye colour, people actually find it easier to relate to you. It's a psychological impact that we get from colour. And what we do with that colour is we actually wear it upper body. So we try and connect the colour to our eyes in the upper body region somehow. So examples could be scarves, jackets, cardigans, jumpers, t-shirts, camis. Beautiful formal dresses in eye colour are quite stunning and unique to you if you can find your eye colour in formal wear. And one of my favourite little ways to add eye colour is just in earrings, everyday earrings. So when I'm walking out the door and I know that I've always got my eye colour there. So this little pearl is great for for blue eye colour, and then even little earring ideas like using a metallic and mixing it back with eye colour as well. So just having eye colour earrings in your collection that you can wear. They will go with every wardrobe colour that you could possibly have because you've always got your eyes right there. And obviously, as I said, scarves, really great way of adding eye colour close to your face, and a beautiful way to just draw down that eye colour into your wardrobing as well. Have fun with this colour, and look forward to speaking to you soon.